Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix outfit glitches in Roblox Dress to Impress. So, the outfit glitches in DTI can occur for various reasons, such as issues with how the game renders clothing, the character parts, or the animations. And this is how you can troubleshoot to fix the outfit glitches in DTI. First, you can try to re-equip your outfit because sometimes simply equipping your outfit can fix the glitches. So what you need to do is just remove the clothing or accessories that you used before, and then you can just re-add the items or reuse the items. Or you can also try a different outfit on your avatar. So if the issue is specific to one outfit, you can try switching to another outfit to see if the glitch is related to a particular item. And if you are using browser, you can try to clear the cache on the browser, because glitches can occur if the browser has outdated data stored. Or you can also rejoin the game. So just leave the game first and then rejoin another one, because outfit glitches can sometimes be fixed by simply leaving the game and rejoining. And you can also check for outfit compatibility, because some items may not be compatible with others, and it will lead to glitches in how the outfit is displayed. And don't forget to update your Roblox to make sure that your Roblox is at its maximum performance. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.